Our first question for you today, Katie, is why universal design for learning?
Okay, that's a broad question and I love it. I think the most concise answer is that our systems and our schools were not built for all students. They were built in this very industrial model about meeting the needs of very privileged populations of students, and they haven't adapted much. And the way that most curriculum is designed, the way that most classrooms are designed, assume almost some segregation in that, like, we're going to design this lesson for students who are at grade level. And if you can't do this work, we're going to have to put you somewhere where the work is easier. And if this work comes easy for you, we're going to have to put you in a place where the work is harder. And because of the way that we measure that, we are absolutely segregating students in many ways, also based on identity group. We can predict who are the students that school works well for. And universal design for learning is about how do we design our systems and our schools to meet the lived reality of every single one of our students, because every single student, regardless of their ability or race or religion or language or any part of their identity, should have equal opportunities to learn grade level standards at very, very high levels. And to do that, we have to make sure that there are options for scaffolding and support and for challenge, and that those scaffolds are informed not only by our own expertise as educators, but are also informed by our families and our communities and the learners who we serve. And my friend George Koros always says that, education is one of like the last standing systems where the customer is not always right. That, when students aren't successful, it's very easy to put that responsibility on the student, when in fact that responsibility has always been about the design of the system, about the skill levels of everybody involved in that system, and most importantly, the beliefs that all students can and will learn at high levels when we design proactively for them.